As a solopreneur, you dedicate every ounce of energy to your business. But when was the last time you focused on yourself? This holiday season, it's time to pause, reset, and reflect on your personal well-being. Introducing the 12 Days of Mindset Magic with AI, a unique opportunity to prioritize yourself. Over 12 days, you'll engage in daily mindset exercises tailored to fit your schedule, allowing you to grow at your own pace. These guided exercises are designed to help you balance self-care with professional growth. By participating, you'll gain clarity and confidence, preparing you to enter 2025 feeling ready to thrive in all aspects of life. This is your chance to unplug from the daily grind and recharge your mental and emotional batteries. By taking this time for yourself, you can design a life and business that truly feels fulfilling and aligned with your values. Sign up now for free to give yourself some self-care this Christmas. This opportunity is about prioritizing yourself, because when you work better, everything else in your life and business follows suit, creating a harmonious balance. Imagine walking into the new year with a renewed sense of purpose and direction. These exercises will guide you in setting intentions and goals that resonate with your true self, ensuring a prosperous and meaningful 2025. Don't let this free chance pass by to invest in your personal growth and well-being in 2025. The 12 Days of Mindset Magic from the Aim to Grow program offers a transformative experience that can reshape how you approach both your personal and professional life. Scan the QR code to access this opportunity for free. Prioritize yourself today and develop the power of a balanced mindset for 2025. Remember, everything works better when your mindset does. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and empowerment to see your life and business flourish together.